Hi, my name is Jean-Yves Terrien. I'm the CEO of ESGold. Today at Notre-Dame de Montauban, around an hour driving from Quebec City. I'm going to make you a simple tour of our project here, which consists in installation of a 1,000-ton mill to reprocess old tailings and decontaminate the tailings that we're going to reprocess. The mine here in Notre-Dame de Montauban was originally a mine of zinc. It was the first official mine of zinc in Canada, started in the early 19 and has been produced over 90 years, 2.6 million tons of residue that sit on surface, and those tons are our objective to reprocess. The mill operation here with the full staff will need about 30 employees. That's going to be a really good employment situation with good salary. Also, we intend to do other investment to maximize the use of the building and to use also potentially the residue we're going to retreat as a secondary product. So our goal is to really help the environment as much as we can. We are actually on one of our 5 tailings we identify at Montauban, which the one here is the biggest one. We estimate that there's between 500 and 600,000 tons of material that has been processed over the year of multiple life of mine that has been in operation at Montauban. What I want to talk about here is after we're going to reprocess all those tailings, with the way we're going to process it, we'll make that residue totally inert, so totally clean to be used for different application. And with our partnership with the polymer group, we will be able to produce a end product of very high quality concrete that will be fully water resistant, that we can color, and 10 times harder than regular concrete. So we're gonna be able to generate a very high value revenue based on our residue. Over the gold and silver and mica we're gonna extract from this residue. So that's going to be a very complete process that will remediate completely whatever we touch. We decontaminate it and we use it as a high value product for construction. There's so many applications for this concrete that we intend to commercialize in the future. We are actually on site, on the mine site. This mine has been in production since 1900 to 1990. Here exactly we are where it was this last mill who closed in 1990, and the situation is not very nice. Our intent is to clean everything we touch. So every time we're gonna remove old tailing, it's gonna be reprocessed and treated to make sure that the site will become nicer. Also, we are about to complete a PEA, which is an economical study, which we work with best consultant in geology, engineering, environment to complete a good document that will help us to get the final funding to put the mill in full production as soon as possible.
Fait que vous êtes une bonne compagnie, là. Puis votre mission, elle est noble là, quand même, là. Ça fait que ça fit dans mes valeurs. Ça fait que c'est pour ça que ça va créer de l'emploi, alors c'est parfait, c'est très très winner. La population ici a été longtemps pauvre, est encore pauvre, là. Mais je pense qu'avec la venue de votre compagnie puis de d'autres compagnies, ça peut changer. Nous, ce qu'on veut, c'est remplir l'école d'enfants. Fait que si on a juste 10 enfants de plus ou 20 enfants de plus, ça va faire notre affaire. Une nouvelle comme celle-là, ça doit faire des décennies que c'est pas arrivé, là. Puis, tu sais, on peut passer des fois 5-6 emplois, mettons, on peut créer 2, 3, 5, là, mais 30 emplois d'un coup, là, ça fait très longtemps que c'est pas arrivé ici. Puis la population me parle souvent de votre compagnie, on a très hâte que vous ayez implanté, puis je peux vous assurer de mon entière collaboration.
Here for the final word of this little tour of Montauban. We are in one of the 5 tailings that we intend to reprocess inside the mill. We are actually in a process to build, or we want to build. So basically, the final word is very an optimistic view of the future success of ESGold. Our view is to make an example of this project, to be able to cut and paste that into many other sites like that we can find in Quebec, Ontario, or any other province in Canada, and even around the world. So I welcome you to follow us and see our future development and the final building of our mill in Montauban.